In this song, we start with our thumb on F. At one point, we stretch our little finger to reach D, like this. And because we are in the key of F, our fourth finger will be playing B flat instead of B. That's this black key here. One, five, five, one, stretch, stretch, 1, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 1, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 1, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 1, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5, 1, stretch, stretch, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. F, C, C, F, D, D, F, C, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, F, C, C, F, D, D, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G. F, C, C, F, D, D, F, C, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, F, C, C, F, D, D, B flat, A, G, F, G, F. B flat, A, G, F, B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G. F, C, C, F, D, D, F, C, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, F, C, C, F, D, D, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G. F, C, C, F, D, D, F, C, C, B flat, A, G,